just passed the Tennessee border.
119 miles till Nashville.
What is our first stop tonight?
We'll be stopping in St. Louis, Missouri.
That was our place for the night. And the weather is
Fantastic.
oh, it's so cute.
Thanks a lot. Also, I was thinking maybe hot sauce. Yeah. Colorado, here we come! Hello, Kansas. It's incredible. There's so much to see.
Oh, my leg's cramping.
Kevin just experienced her first time with traffic on stick shifts. How was it?
It hurts. Oh. This place is so So how long's our drive today again?
6 hours.
That's not bad. I feel like anything compared to yesterday is really quick now. What are you most excited for today?
The views. Mountains.
Mountains?
Valleys.
Mm-hmm.
Grass.
Wow.
Cars.
Wow.
You.
Ooh. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Today is the day where you see the Tetons. Oh, wild. That's Just pulled over the side of the road to catch the sunset here in Wyoming. And this place is unreal. Wyoming. Oh, what is that sound? Something happened to the car, but I mean, not a bad spot for something to happen. Gorgeous. We are 12 minutes away from our Wyoming B&B, and the truck started making weird clicking noises randomly on our way here through the Teton Forest, and now we're running at 20 miles an hour. 25 miles an hour. Everyone's passing us. There's zero signal, but we're almost there.
We have one bar, actually. So that's
oh, we have one bar. Anyways, we are just praying that we'll make it there. I think we will, because we prayed about it. But we'll see. It's been the weirdest noise, but it hasn't been going, knock on wood, for a while. So we're just gonna keep on going, and when we get there, we'll get it checked tomorrow morning. So Tyler's doing a good job driving really slow.
It's a little stressful. Just don't know what it is. It sounds like what do you mean?
Here's our Airbnb for the night before I mess it up. It's so cute. Look at that. Tyler's in the bathroom, but it's got a cute little nook, and this leads to the balcony, which we will check out in the morning. Just making quick pizza and some minestrone noodle soup for the night. The car went okay. It was scary, but God is good.